how to add a timer and countdown on Discord. This tutorial shows you how to create and send a live countdown timer in any Discord chat using Hammer Time on your Android device. First, open any web browser on your Android device, such as Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, tap on the search bar and type in Hammer Time to find the website. From there, tap on the first result to open the Hammer Time website. At this point, once the page loads, you'll see options to set up your timer. In the next step, tap on the date and time field and select the exact date and time you want the countdown to end. Following this, make sure to select the correct time zone so the timer displays accurately for everyone in the chat, regardless of where they are. Once done, you'll see a list of chat syntax options appearing on the screen for your timer. From here, scroll through the available timer styles and choose the one that best fits what you need. Some show a full countdown, while others display a specific date and time format. At this stage, tap on the Copy button next to your preferred timer style to copy it to your clipboard. After this, open the Discord app and navigate to the chat or channel where you want to share the timer. Once completed, tap and hold on the message field and paste the copied timer syntax. Finally, tap Send, and the timer will appear live in the chat automatically, counting down for everyone to see. And that's it. If this Discord guide helped you add a countdown timer to your chat, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.